Hey everyone, welcome back to the Bike Buzzin' channel everyone. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated superbikes of 2025, the Aprilia RS V4. With cutting-edge technology, stunning design, and mind-blowing performance, this is a machine that promises to redefine what it means to ride a superbike. Let's jump in. Design aesthetics. First things first, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Aprilia RS V4 takes inspiration from MotoGP and the world of racing. With its sharp, aggressive lines and aerodynamic bodywork, it looks as fast standing still as it is on the track. The front end is dominated by a pair of sleek LED headlights, and the full carbon fiber fairings give it an unmistakable presence. The aggressive stance of the bike shows off the advanced engineering underneath, with everything built for performance. Engine performance. Under the hood, the 2025 RS V4 is powered by a revamped 1.099cc V4 engine. Aprilia has fine-tuned this powerhouse to deliver an astonishing 220 horsepower and 125 Nm of torque. The result? Unrivaled acceleration, spine-tingling top speeds, and cornering capabilities that'll have you grinning ear to ear. Whether you're on the track or the open road, the RS V4's engine ensures you're always in control, with its smooth power delivery and heart-pounding performance. Technology innovation. Now, let's talk technology. The 2025 RS V4 comes packed with some of the most advanced features available on the market today. A 5-inch TFT display offers all your vital info with stunning clarity, while the advanced PRC system gives you a range of ride modes, traction control, wheelie control, and launch control. You also get a brand new electronic suspension system that adapts to your riding style in real time, ensuring an unparalleled ride whether you're on twisty roads or an open track. Handling rideability. When it comes to handling, the 2025 RS V4 is a dream. The new chassis design and improved aerodynamics contribute to a lighter and more agile feel. The 43mm Öhlins front forks and fully adjustable rear shock work together to provide exceptional stability and comfort in all conditions. Plus, with the addition of a new Brembo braking system, you can count on precise and responsive stopping power, no matter how fast you're going. Conclusion. So, is the 2025 Aprilia RS V4 the future of superbikes? With its stunning design, extreme performance, and cutting-edge technology, it's hard to argue otherwise. Whether you're an experienced racer or a motorcycle enthusiast, this machine has something for everyone. It's more than just a bike, it's a statement. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest bikes and gear. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the 2025 Aprilia RS V4? Until next time, ride safe and ride fast.